Hello, and you're welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you how to access your Google Drive, okay, on your laptop, on your PC, any of the computers you are using, whether it's desktop or laptop. I want to quickly show you how you are going to access shared files and also how to use the Google Drive, okay. Yeah, most people are just used to the Google Mail, your mail. There are lots of apps that comes with your Google account that you can use. So when they share a file with you and you are asked to check your Google Drive. So first you make sure that you are logged in into your Gmail. Okay, now let me log into my Gmail. So I'm going to sign in. Okay, so this is my email and I'll need to input my password. So now I'm logged in. So how do you know I'm logged in? You can see now this is my name, and when I over my mouse over it, you can see that it's bringing out my details, my name. So if you want to access your different apps, like you have an email to check, just click on these nine dots here, and this is where you check your email if you have any mail, okay, from anybody. So besides that, this is your Google Drive. Your Google Drive is like a folder, your, let me put it like your memory card, where you can store your files, pictures, your documents, videos, and so on that you want to store in the cloud. What I mean by cloud is that you want to store it offline. You don't want it to be on your system. You don't want it to be on your phone. You want it to be in your Google Mail. If you don't own your data, you can't access it offline. You can only access it online. So it's like saving your document online. Okay. So you come to your Google Drive. So when I click my drive, okay, so it's coming up. Here is my Google Drive. Okay, these are the previous files I have just have opened today. So here are the folders, okay, different folders that are there. So to see a particular document that have been shared with me, all these ones here that are inside these different folders, when I open this folder now, when I open this folder, you can see I have a Google document here. Okay, I have a Google document here that I've saved here. But these are my documents that I created myself. But if I want to access the one that is shared to me by another person, you can see, just come down here, okay, shared with me. So you click on shared with me. So all these files here are the files that have been sent to me by other people. Okay, they have been shared with me. Okay, this is where you are going to get any file that has been shared with you. So if you buy a course or you buy a product and the person says he's going to share it through your Google Drive to access it, I should check your Google Drive. This is how you check your Google Drive. And in most cases, when somebody sends you a file in your Google Drive, you are going to receive a mail. Okay, like the normal mail, you are going to receive a mail, or let me put it this way, you are going to receive a notification, okay, that you have a message. So on clicking it, it's going to take you directly into your drive and you can access the document. Okay, so you can also watch my other video on how you can do the same thing with your mobile phone. Okay, so just make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay, and click the notification bell so that when very, very educating and important videos like this is dropped, you'll be notified whenever they come out, whenever I upload new videos that are meant to give you value for what you are doing. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumb by liking the video, and let me know your comment on this. If you have more suggestions on the things I've not talked about Google, please feel free to comment down below. All right, so this is how you access your Google Drive. Okay, so this is a shared file with you, and this is, you come to my drive, this is your own document you create. Here you can even open a new folder. Okay, when I open a new folder, I can name it new new 2023. Okay, and you can see it there. So you can open it from there. You can put anything here. You can upload a file from your system, like videos and picture, by clicking on upload file. Let me upload a file. If I click on upload file from my system, maybe I want to save this picture. okay, to be in my Google Drive. I don't want it to be on my system again. I'll just click on open. You can see the progress bar here. You can see it has been uploaded. Now I have this picture here. So even if I go to anywhere in the world and I want to access this picture, I just need to log into my mail and check my drive, and I'm going to access it there. Okay, I don't need to go with my device up and down. Just get any device and I log into my Gmail and access them. So it can be pictures, it can be videos, it can be documents. Okay, so besides uploading files and folders, you can also create a new document, a new Google Sheet, a new Google Slide, new Google Form, and many other Google apps that you can use. Okay, I'm going to be dropping a video very soon on how to use different Google applications. Okay, that are very, very useful for you. They help you not to lose your documents. Okay, they help when your device is damaged or something happens to your device, whether your PC or your phone. Okay, your documents are always safe. All right, so thank you very much, and I'll see you in the